Hello everyone, I have a ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11 today. The client brought it in stating that the laptop won't turn on and stay on unless it's plugged in. I have tried different troubleshooting steps without success, so I'm going to replace the battery. Here are the steps. Flip the laptop over so the bottom is facing up, then remove base cover. Uninstall the battery. Installing the new battery. Place the battery in the battery compartment, then replace the screws. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Lastly, install the base cover.